In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, you need to access Themes app and click on it. Now select Themes at the top of Featured section, Categories, or Top, or if you wish to, tap on the search bar in any of them to type in whatever you want to. Now, after finding a perfect theme for you, you need to click on it, choose Download, and before hitting Apply, hit Customize here and decide if you wish to exclude some options. For example, if you don't want to change your lock screen style, click on this blue icon. Whatever you decided, when you finished, hit Apply here or here and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you can always do that by going back to Themes app. This time, selecting Me section at the bottom right corner, hitting one of those themes under Preset Themes, and tapping on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!